Okay, so we are in student view right now, and this is the assignment that the teacher, me, has assigned to the class. We are classroom 24. I'm going to click on the video and watch it. Right, here's my audio recording.
What do you wonder about these cool tricks? What hypotheses can we make about them?
Right, and we cannot skip ahead during this. It is locked. Spend a second. Alright, here is our first question as an open-ended question. And maybe the student might respond, the beads are magnetic. That is not the case, but maybe they'll respond that way. Here is my comment that includes a picture. Right, here's my multiple choice question, the second question that I've asked the students. And maybe one student might say magic is the only explanation. Okay, here is my third question. It is true or false. We'll say false. And we were right. And here's my fourth question, also an open-ended question. What do we wonder about the cool tricks? I wonder why the water flows up a straw. Okay, so that was my video. Now I'm going to leave the student view and log into my teacher view. Okay, so here is the content that I have. I'm going to go to my classes, and you can see that I have assigned Science Phenomena to room 24, 6th grade. And so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to finish grading the assignment. So that was not right, and please put something, so that will be correct. Then I'm going to go back to my classes, click on the assignment. You can see all the grades and the progress that they have made, how many students have done it. Here I can see the due date and the start date for that assignment. You can see that the skipping is not allowed. And so now I'm going to download the grades. Alright. Now here you can see that the grades are right here, the student's name, the grade, the answers that they got correct, the time spent, how much of the video has been watched, and how much was turned in on time, the grade that they got, as well as the questions that they had. And what they said for all of them. So that is how we use EdPuzzle.